Welcome back to another video. This is Dr. Smoke. I'm Ron, and
This is Don.
today we got something really sweet for you guys. It's not even released yet. By the time you're watching this video, it's probably going to be coming out. What do we have, Donald?
GMG Trek Prime replaces what, Ron?
The Davy Crockett.
You like that logo?
I love it. It makes me so happy because it's centered. A lot of people are going to love this logo, and it's going to look great on clothing and apparel and everything else. And this logo right here is pretty sweet too, with a different name, Trek Prime. So what's up with that?
I don't know.
A rebranding?
Seems like GMG's changing things, and that's what we like to see. They're evolving with the market, and that's why we like them so much.
And making people with OCD very, very happy with this new logo. It's bright, it's straight, and it even matches this logo. We have something special. If you keep watching to the end of the video, there's another thing that goes with this, and we're going to show you what that is.
Can't we just find out now?
Our assembly guide is right on top, exactly where it should be. We also have our important safety information here. I'll let Don read that later because I'm excited about opening this up. Welcome to the GMG Nation. This is pretty cool. So GMG is really trying to make these things easier for us to put together. And this is one example of that. We have a starter box here. I see our owner's manual here. There's our owner's manual. A nice big recipe book. That's pretty cool. That's new. Chimney, bag of pellets, our temperature probe, our Wi-Fi antenna, we have our power supply, our tool for assembly. All of this stuff is the same from the other model, but there is something in here that's a little different. What's this? I think you know what that's for if you have one of the larger models.
Ron, you forgot something here.
You're the tech guy. Talk about it.
New power supply. And what I like about this, nice long 110 volt side, and there's nothing to plug in or nothing to come loose. It's great. Same thing on this side. Connected. So this goes directly in the grill, and now you have two connections like any other appliance that you'd have. You no longer have the double-ended cord that can come loose. So another good improvement, and nice to see it.
Let's check it out, Don. Nice handles, easy to lift. Look at those legs.
Tell you what, it'd be nice if we had a cart to put this on.
You do, right here.
I know.
Or you could make your own, right?
That's true.
What is in the box?
It's a half bucket.
It's a mini bucket. Great. Drip tray.
There you go. Adjustable firebox. So now when you get temperature swings, you can switch this from side to side, and you always want to move this toward your hotspot just by a little bit. Very nice addition. Love the fact that they added this to the Davy Crockett. Two things I want to point out on the inside of the grill. Get you a close-up. First of all, ceramic igniter. So this thing's going to start up a lot quicker than the original. Second, this thermal sensor. This I am happy to see. It's a lot smaller in diameter, which means that this thing's going to react a lot quicker to temperature changes and be able to correct for it. Very cool change, and I cannot wait to run this thing. Controller, it's the same exact thing, except you've got the new logo in the corner.
Another thing that I'm noticing is the paint is very nice on this. It has a nice sheen to it. It's smooth. There's no chips in it, no scratches. It's in good condition. This was boxed really well. The legs are really nice. They're strong. These are like the prime legs on the Daniel Boone and the Jim Bowie. So it gives it almost an identical look and a nice sturdy base instead of those other foldable legs with the little springs underneath.
Another welcomed surprise is a handle on this side.
So here's your adjustment rod, and based on the assembly guide, it's telling you to go with the mark between the 1 and the 0, so right here. So we're going to go ahead and put our box in. So the grease channel is a little different on this. It's wider and it's bent here, so there's no welds here, less points of failure, and you have a nice little hole right here for the grease to come out of. Grates are in. Okay, we all know what this is.
We're going to get a lot of questions on what this is.
We're going to get a lot of questions. I guarantee it's in the instructions, which we don't read. You probably should. Don't go on the forum and ask what this is for.
Open the lid, put it in. Hand guard.
Hand guard. So you don't do that. It also helps break the pellets up. Please like and subscribe to our videos. Smash the like button. It helps us bring videos like this to you guys even before these things come out.
Let's show this new puppy out.
It's beautiful. We have a brand new logo. It's centered. My OCD is so happy with this logo.
You're complete?
I'm complete. It's beautiful. Just look at that thing.
That is a beautiful logo.
It's very nice.
GMG.
This is the Trek Prime. Rebranding, new model, new everything. It's awesome. Open it up. Inside, we have our nice grates. We have our drip tray. We have a new temperature probe in here that's smaller. Don thinks it's going to work a lot better. We'll find out in a little bit. Our grease tray, the channel down there, has less welds, so less chance of grease leaking out. It has a nice hole in there for the grease to drip through. We also have, on the side here, is our adjustable heat shield. We can move this back and forth. We couldn't do that before, so now we can adjust it, get rid of those hot spots.
We got a mini grease bucket. Looking good.
Mini grease bucket. It's so cute. Look at this thing. Love it. Go milk a cow. There's a nice gap in between the smoker and your pellet hopper, so if you do put your thermal cover on here, it's going to sit nicely around that area.
What do we got new here? Logo.
New logo right there.
Right on a controller.
Not a whole lot of changes on this side. You do have your handle here, and you have a handle on the other side, which makes this thing a lot easier to carry. Your hopper, your instructions, your hand guard. Everything on the back is pretty much the same. You do see these great legs on here that look just like the Prime legs. And we're also noticing that the paint is really nice on this thing. It has a nice sheen to it. There's no chipping, no scratches. It was packaged really, really well with all the cardboard and everything. There's no damage. Also, another addition that I noticed is this tab on the grease port here. It sticks up a lot higher. It's on a different angle, and it is going to hold that grease bucket a lot better than the other one.
So that's the overview of the new GMG Trek Prime.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. The button will be below. Smash that baby. And if you like our apparel, we do sell this. These are pretty sweet Dr. Smoke hoodies. We have t-shirts. There'll be a link below to our website where you can purchase those. Now, I told you we'd have a little surprise for you if you watch to the end. We have this beautiful smoker, the new Trek. It's got great legs on it. adjustable heat shield, but there's something it's missing, and this is something that all of you guys like to make yourselves and put them on, but now you don't have to. Don, can you show us what you got?
Wait, what is this?
This is the Trek cart. It's all stainless steel. It has caster wheels. We're going to do a video on this. Keep watching, and we'll have one coming up real soon.
Link right up there. Click the video, watch the unboxing, check this new card out.